Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations 30 Days of DIY Christmas Ornaments. Today I'm making a gnome. I've taken 2 Jenga blocks and glued them together. And I'm cutting out, cut that tag off. So, back to cutting out some of the material on this hat from Dollar Tree. There were a lot of threads on the back of this. It was crazy. So anyway, I cut out a piece of material. Now I'm trying to decide the best way to do it. I'm cutting off the bottom area. So I'm going to make the gnome some arms. Some hot glue and roll that material. It was giving me fits. It's an easy material to work with. And I roll it again. And I glued the arms on the back beam. As you can see, I change it in a little while. So I found this yarn at Michael's in the spring when it was on sale. That's the best time to get yarn at Michael's. So they're trying to clear out for summer. Anyway, it was only like a couple of bucks. It's cool yarn. So I'm wrapping some around my fingers. Make him a fluffy beard. Tying it at the top so it stays together. And I'm gluing it on the front. And I'm just trimming the bottom. You can see I'm taking the arms back off. They put them too near the top and couldn't really form the hat very well. So I'd move it down just a little bit. So I'm gluing down the front of the hat. And I will bring it around the back. And start forming the hat. Okay, there's his bead nose. And I've got a dowel, or a skewer, and I'm taking just a little bit off so I could get it through the hole in the bead, because they were kind of small holes. And I apologize if you can't see very well what I'm doing. I tried to do a different camera angle, and it just basically was showing my hands more than anything, it seems like. I need to figure out how to do it from above like most of the YouTubers. Okay, so I'm putting a little glue inside the hat to form it more to a peak. Putting glue on for the skis, which are candy canes. Now I put some beads on the end and brought the ski poles to a point. Oh, trimming a little more off the beard. It's a very fluffy beard. Oh, and those skis didn't want to stay on because I think it was all the glitter on them. So I'm trying to stick that back on there. And every decent gnome needs a puffball on his hat. So I'm putting a white pom-pom up there. Well, maybe not all of them, but this guy's a little Nordic skier, so he needed a puffball on his hat. Okay. And I thank all of my subscribers for watching. And I hope you watch to the end every day. And on the weekend, we're going to have a special drawing. That'll happen once a week at the end of the week. You could run a tie through his hat or glue a ribbon up there to hang him from the tree. And here he is posing for you. Thanks for subscribing. See you soon. Bye.